Yo, what up? Peace and blessings to the fam. This your big homie Jared. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. As always, thank you for checking out today's unboxing, which we'll do an Adidas shoe today. So if you are new and into sneaker unboxings, please subscribe. I think you'll like what we have on the channel. And everybody, just take a moment to hit that like button to help this video spread. Now, yeah, like I stated, we got an Adidas unboxing. So let's just take a couple seconds to go around the box real quick. We got the Adidas on the side. We got the 3 stripes. And this is going to give the shoe away if the title hadn't already. We got the Ivy Park on the side. So we have the Adidas Beyonce Ivy Park collab. And we have one of the Nite Joggers here. And this is a dope shoe. Got it in a size 12.5. I don't know why that's just a dash. Maybe that represents half. But yeah, we got a 12.5. So, without any further ado, let's take a look around the shoe. All right, welcome back, and hopefully you got a good look at the Ivy Park Nite Jogger, one of the 2 Nite Joggers in the collection. But before we get started on the materials and such, just want to let you guys know in the description there will be quick links to different sections of the video, so you can just skip around if you want, save some time. I don't mind that. Now, just a little backstory about this collection. Of course, it's a collaboration between Adidas and Ivy Park, which is Beyonce's lifestyle brand. And it's been in existence for a while, but I think they're doing a good job of collaborating with a big brand like Adidas to help the marketing efforts. And they executed everything properly. They had 4 shoes. I think they had 2 Nite Joggers, an Ultra Boost 1.0, and then also another kind of retro inspired shoe. I don't know the name of it, but the shoe's dope. The clothing collection for women, and I think they might have had some men stuff too. That was dope. Very, very classy in my opinion. You know, they didn't do a whole lot of extra. It was just, you know, smartly done in my opinion. And as far as the shoes, this is my favorite of the 4. Now the other ones have a little bit more pop, you know, maybe a little bit more eye-catchy, but these right here are just more my style, kind of an understated style and design aesthetic. So it turned out to be a great shoe. So let's go ahead and talk about the materials. So just starting out, we got a good mix of materials in my opinion. You know, everything works. So we have on the toe box a little cream textile material, and then the overlays of suede, which is kind of a light gray suede. And then on the side we have more of a deeper cream suede, and then this little underlay that you see is actually 3M, so it lights up when you shine light on it. Can't show it to you now, but just so you know it's there. Now moving over to the side panel, on the lateral side we have this kind of ripstop nylon material, very nice added texture to the shoe, kind of a light pale yellow. And then the 3 stripes are outlined with maroon stitching, just a little subtle touch. And those 3 stripes are actually 3M as well. So also, as you see up here at the top, you have that low-key Ivy Park branding, which is cool. Like I said, the whole concept seemed like if this shoe is kind of understated. So definitely cool. So moving on to the back part of the shoe, you see you still got, well, up by the laces, you still have more of that suede. And then that yellow stitching, I think, is just perfect. Once again, smartly done. And then in the back heel portion of the shoe, you got some more of that 3M and that S pattern. And then we have that long haired suede that definitely looks and feels good. Then at this top portion of the heel, you have the Adidas Originals branding, old school Adidas logo. Of course, we had this rope lacing system that I think is one of my favorite aspects of the shoe. And then we have this mesh on the back heel as well. So moving on to the medial side, everything is pretty much the same, repeats itself on the inside of the shoe, and it just comes together to be a dope shoe. Now, as far as the tongue, kind of different. You know, I don't think I've ever felt a material like this on a shoe for me personally. It's like a foam, kind of reminds you to if you go to church to little communion wafers. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But anyways, also you got the Ivy Park label right there on the top of the tongue, very low key and subtle. And then I think one of the biggest design features of the shoe is this reworked lacing system where you had the orange laces with the speckled gray. I think those probably are 3M. Yeah, it looks to be, with the little toggle pull tab thing right there. So the little lace loops in maroon. I mean, I'm telling you, man, this is probably one of the dopest colorways I've seen executed on a shoe in a very long time, and it's saying a lot because they didn't really do a whole lot, quote unquote, all right, my bad, folks, my video cut out. But anyways, very understated shoe. I think that's why I like it so much. Once again, it's very neutral and easy to wear with a lot of different things. Now, the other ones look good. They have a little bit more pop, but it might be harder to wear with other things. So this one right here is one that you really wanted to go after if you just wanted kind of something that you could throw on and not have to think too much about what to rock with it. So in the next part of the video, we're going to talk about the fit. It is a little different, and then also the comfort, which is also important, I assume. So stay tuned. All right, so when it comes to the fit of the Nite Jogger itself, just generally as a silhouette, definitely want to say this is a bigger shoe as far as the length. Toe box is even a little bit wider than what most people might be used to, not as narrow as your traditional running shoe or maybe even a Nike shoe as well. So I definitely would suggest going at least, if not down a half size, true to size. Do not go up at all with this shoe at all. So for me personally, I would probably lean more towards the down half size if you really want that secure fit. Now, me personally, the way I would rock these, I really wouldn't have this lacing system done up too tight. So I would probably want the shoe to be a little bit more snug in the toe and heel area. So my suggestion would definitely be true to size, maybe if you have a wide foot, but if you're more of a narrow foot, half size is the way to go. Down half size is the way to go. Now, as far as the comfort, as you see here, this is a full length Boost midsole, and if you're not familiar with Boost, it's probably one of the most comfortable, softest midsoles on the market right now, provided by any brand. So some might say Nike React or Vapor Max is good, but this right here is really, really like the key to comfort. Now, over time, will it last and stay as comfortable? Probably not, depending on how much you wear it. But, straight out of the box, there's no time to break this shoe in. It's going to feel like you're walking on clouds. And actually, the Boost does look like clouds. Yeah, so you're not going to be disappointed with the comfort of this as well. So if you're into not only just a stylish shoe, but want something that's comfortable as well, you can't go wrong with the Ivy Park Adidas Nite Jogger, or just the Adidas Nite Jogger in general. Now, as far as where I was able to get it, of course, I got this on Adidas.com. Actually had multiple orders. I had the other Nite Jogger, but they canceled that order a day or two later. So I was only able to get this shoe and also my beanie. So I got an orange beanie. I might do a giveaway on the channel for that, so stay tuned for that. But as far as where you could possibly get it, of course, secondary market has these available, and for the most part, the resale isn't that high. So if you want a pair and don't mind spending a little bit over retail, now might be a great time to do it, because I do suspect the longer you wait, the more this shoe will increase over time, being that it is Beyonce's or Ivy Park's first collaboration with Adidas. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to get a pair, jump on it ASAP. Now, also, I think, what is it, Friday? Yeah, Friday. Champs also did a restock on their entire collection. So you might want to stay on the lookout. Follow some of the Twitter accounts, Soul Links. Download the Soul Links app. They send out tweets. Follow them on Twitter, notifications, all of that, even on Instagram. They kind of send out a lot of info, letting people know when these things kind of restock. So I was actually able to get the other Nite Jogger on a restock on Champs. So hopefully that order just comes through very quickly so I can give y'all a look at that. But as far as the full review of this shoe, That will go up on the retroinsider.com in a couple days after I spend more time with the video shoes and editing and all of that stuff. But in the meantime, you can check out the initial impressions of the shoe, and a link to that article will be in the show's description. So check all of that out. But anyways, don't forget to follow the Retro Insider all across social media, Twitter, Instagram, all of that good stuff. But in the comments, before we go, please let me know what you think about this particular shoe. What do you think about the collection? Did you cop? If so, which ones did you get, or which one did you get? And let me know your favorite aspect of this shoe here. Is it the boost? Is it the lacing system? Is it the Ivy Park tag? Whatever it is, let me know in the comments. But it's been real, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the content. Until next time, stay humble and proceed.